How to choose a penetration testing company for your business. Tips and tricks. In the digital age, cyber threats are rampant. To protect your business, you might consider penetration testing. But how do you choose the right company like Technijian? Penetration testing is a simulated cyber attack to identify vulnerabilities. It's a key component of a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. Start by defining what you want from the process. Do you need a one-time assessment or ongoing monitoring? This will help narrow down your options. Choose a company with a proven track record and relevant certifications. This shows they have the skills to identify vulnerabilities. A good company will follow a well-defined methodology. Make sure you understand their process and the tools they use. A comprehensive report is crucial. It should include detailed findings, recommendations, and remediation steps. While cost is important, remember that investing in penetration testing can prevent costly data breaches in the future. Choosing the right penetration testing company is crucial. By following these tips, you can make an informed decision and better protect your business from cyber threats. For support, call us on 949-379-8500. Visit our website, www.technijian.com.